Modern laboratories have the capability to process small cell quantities, whether they are from the aspirated material or tissue biopsies. Hi, I'm Dr. Vijay Kumar, a senior consultant histopathologist from Metropolis Healthcare. Did you know how cells become tissue and sometimes transforms into life-threatening tumors? Today we will take you behind the scenes into our histopathology lab. You must be thinking, what is histopathology? So in simple language, histopathology is like using a super tiny microscope to look at the sick cells in the body tissue. Modern laboratories have the capability to process small cell quantities, whether they are from the aspirated material or tissue biopsies. These cell blocks serve various purposes, including histopathology reporting, tumor diagnosis, and additional immunohistochemistry analysis. In recent years, there has been a significant growth in the discovery of the new IHC markers. These IHC markers not only identify malignant cells, but also helps to differentiate between different tumor types. Now, IHC marker and further molecular testing on the biopsy tissue has become essential for the accurate diagnosis and targeted therapy. These advancements enhances treatment options and prognosis for patients. For accurate diagnosis, we prioritize excellent specimen handling by senior histotechnologists and histopathologists, as the grossing of the specimen remains the key. Automated tissue processor contributes to the enhanced turnaround times, ensuring that the results are delivered quickly and accurately. Effective communication is the key to ensure patient satisfaction and better treatment outcome. And that's why, by maintaining open lines of the communication, our histopathologist and the clinician ensures that all the relevant information is shared, questions are addressed, and the decisions are made collaboratively. At Metropolis Healthcare, our dedicated team of specialists excels in their respective fields. We take pride in being the pioneer of introducing digital histopathology in India. From cells to tissue to tumors, histopathology provides us with a crucial insight that helps in timely diagnosis and targeted treatment. We believe that ensuring reliable diagnosis requires accuracy at every step, from sample collection procedures to processing and reporting. At Metropolis Healthcare, we provide a comprehensive range of over 4,000 clinical laboratory tests and profiles, all from the comfort of your home, ensuring better accessibility for our patients. With accuracy and trust as its core, Metropolis Healthcare is committed to your health and well-being. We are here for you. Stay healthy. Visit our website to explore more about our services. Health is your wealth. Feel free to reach out to us at Metropolis Healthcare for any of your diagnostic needs.